In my opinion, I believe that there should have been a proper plan in place in order for this strike to proceed, based on the fact that they are healthcare aides.
The strike by healthcare workers at 1010 Sinclair continues for a second day, leaving some residents wondering what will happen to them the longer the strike goes on.
We have to be able to be mindful and just do the essential service, which is just quickly get you dressed and give you your breakfast and your medication and call it a day, but that didn't even happen.
Lorna Ross lives with spastic cerebral palsy and has been living in 1010 Sinclair's Focus Housing, serving people with physical disabilities. She says she stands in solidarity with the workers, saying 1010 Sinclair should have put a plan in place to get residents their care once the strike began.
You sit and you wait and you wonder, okay, is the person gonna come? Am I gonna have supper? Am I gonna go to bed? Am I gonna have my meds? Am I gonna be able to drain my bag? Like, all these questions roll through my mind, and I can imagine they roll through others.
Ross says she's been relying on friends and different workers to help with her daily routines, such as bathing, getting dressed, and eating. She says Thursday, other healthcare staff have been brought in to help residents, but the care being provided is nowhere near what the regular workers do.
We don't want to see tenants struggle. We don't want to see that. You know, these workers want to be there, but also we also need to take care of the care workers, right? And so by bringing up their wages, that care sector is so very important.
President of CUPE Manitoba, Gina McKay, continues to call on the Winnipeg Regional Health Authority for changes, even though bargaining is happening directly between the union and 1010 Sinclair.
Even though they're not at the physical table, they're the ones that can say yes or no to how much money is coming in, and so that the workplace can then, you know, bargain the wages in a fair way.
In a statement Wednesday, the WRHA says it's working with 1010 Sinclair leadership to understand its financial commitment, what's required to provide its services, and what its management plan is to operate sustainably. City News reached out to 1010 Sinclair but did not receive a response in time for broadcast. In Winnipeg, Joanne Roberts, City News.